belong to you. I belong to you.
People, let's see what we're gonna get into today. Let's do a little dilly-dallying. Oh yeah, I did get my nails done too. You guys see? Tried to do a little coordination. So for the summer, I did orange. But okay, let's see what we can get into today. I don't know what happened to the sound, but basically what I was saying here is my drink was on the house and it was a dairy-free caramel macchiato. I think there's oat milk in there. And it was good. So yeah, shout out to the Starbucks dude for the free drink. We love that. Look at this Rimowa dupe I found at TJ Maxx, guys. Wow, how much is it? 200. Okay, let me see you, TJ. All right, let's try on some jeans. Let's see. These ones are these. Looks like a cargo. I guess cargo. The length is okay. All right, they fit. All right, this is the first pair. One is a good one. It's high-waisted. See? The back is good. The length is pretty good. I'll go with these ones too. Okay. I think I'll go with these too. A win is a win. Guys, I never showed you guys my outfit of the day. So basically this top, my bag, right? My belt, and then as you see, the jeans. So that's why I came. That's why I came to get new jeans, because clearly you see how big these jeans are. I lost 15 pounds, so I can't go around with baggy jeans. So that's why we're here, to get new jeans. All right, now to get some food because I'm so hungry. So, Korean barbecue it is, guys. So today we are doing self-care all day, which means I'm going to do my second round of the PRF for the under eye and maybe a little Botox. I don't know, we'll see. My appointment is at 10. This is a new place, actually closer to where I live instead of me going all the way to New York City, 5th Avenue. So let's go and try this place out. Editing NatFROBELLA here. So basically, I didn't want to get copyrighted because the music was playing in the car. But what I was saying here is that I look a little bit crazy, swollen. I did a lip flip. She did my 11s with the Botox. I did the Botox on my crow's feet. And then I actually did Botox of the neck too, which I've never done before. And honestly, I'll never get it again because it didn't really make a difference anyway. But all right, guys, see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you, love you, love you.